Tippy, can you whistle a little western for Didi? Come on. Ima, I'm going to whistle for Didi a little western. Hello, Didi. Say hello to Dieter. For Dieter. Say hello. Say thank you for building the play garden for me. So now I can play in my little garden. Can you whistle for Didi? Come on. Come on, dear. Come on. Please, Tippy, please. Can you please whistle a little bit? Okay, then how about you whistle for him happy birthday? Come on, darling. How about Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer? How about... Would you like to whistle for Didi, please? You're on camera, darling. Whistle. Whistle, whistle. Come on. Give a little whistle. Give a little whistle. Give a little whistle. Give a little whistle. Yes, yes, go ahead. Pow, wow. Go ahead. Come on. How about... Would you like to whistle that for Didi? You like Didi, don't you? Maybe if you whistle for him, he will come back. Come on. Give a little whistle. Come on. I think we should change that stick over there. You cannot stand tall in your toy box. That stick should be a little bit higher. Didi, can you please come back and change the position of the stick so Chippy can stand straight and doesn't have to bend. Up, up, up. Oh, where are you going? You didn't whistle. Hello. Hello, you didn't do your job. Go back to your job. Oh dear, 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 dear. Not even one little whistle. Come on, darling. How about a little whistle? Oh, I know you want to show Didi that you had lost the poulet this morning. You want to show him your food, don't you? Look at that. Look at where I'm having breakfast, Didi. Those are my seeds and nuts. And I had a piece of melon. And I had a piece of breakfast. And I have some sprouts. And chicken bone. Oh, that was a lovely breakfast. It was not at the table, but it is right at the playground. In my play garden. Oh, 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 what are you doing to the plastic? Be good, be good, be good. Up, up, up. Oh dear, dear, dear. Are you going to whistle now? Are you going to whistle for Didi? Didi, Didi. Come on. Whistle. Whistle a little tune. Whistle along. Come on. Come on, darling. A little whistle for Didi. Maybe he'll come back from Canada and he's going to be in the other room and you'll have someone to play with in the afternoon when Ima goes to work. How about that? A little whistle for Didi. Come on. What are you going to whistle for him? Oh, good for you. That's for Didi. You have another one for him. only takes 10 minutes to get one whistle out of you. That's how it goes. You're just a tiny little parrot. What do we want from you? Oh dear, what do we want from you? A tiny little parrot. Another whistle? Another little whistle for Didi. Come on. Come on, darling. Another little whistle for Didi. He'll come back from Canada and play with you. You're going to whistle for him. Promises, promises, promises. I'd rather eat my breakfast. I'm going to show you how I eat my breakfast. Oh no, I'm eating a melon now. Ima, how can I whistle if I eat? No hands, no arms, no palms. Just a strong beak. Just one strong beak. Eat your sprouts, darling. It's very healthy. Eat your sprouts. Eat your chickpea sprouts. Come on. Okay, we'll say goodbye. Don't forget. It takes time, but when Tippy is asked to whistle, she does whistle. Gotta be patient. She's just a tiny little baby, only 4 years old. Bye-bye.